What's up, Tech Motor Show fam? You've heard of superbikes, you've heard of street-legal rockets, but today, we're talking about machines so fast, so wild, so off-the-charts insane that they are banned from your local roads. These aren't bikes, these are straight-up weapons on wheels, track-only monsters and concept beasts so powerful, they make street-legal superbikes look like mopeds. Before we hit hyperspeed, smash that like button like it owes you money, hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our high-octane madness. Let's count down 16 super-fast motorcycles you can't ride on the streets. Number 16, Lotus C-01, the Art Deco jet bike. This isn't a bike, it's a rolling sculpture made from carbon fiber, aerospace-grade steel, and titanium. Powered by a 200 horsepower KTM engine, it hits over 170 miles per hour. But good luck finding one, as only 100 were made, and no, it's not street legal. Lotus says it's a concept tribute to speed. We say it's a Batmobile with handlebars. Number 15, Honda RC213 VS track kit version. Take Honda's MotoGP bike, sprinkle some unicorn dust on it, and you get the RC213 VS stock. It's tame-ish. Add the track kit, and boom, you're looking at 215 horsepower in a bike that weighs under 170 kilograms. You're essentially piloting Marc Marquez's ride, minus the sponsorships. Why isn't it street legal? Because it's too close to an actual MotoGP machine. Imagine daily commuting in a Formula One car. Yeah, exactly. Number 14, Yamaha YZR-M1, MotoGP's precision blade. Ever wanted to ride the same beast as Valentino Rossi? Well, tough luck. The YZR-M1 is Yamaha's ultra-secret MotoGP prototype, pushing well over 240 horsepower. It's got no speed limiter, no emissions gear, and no mercy. It's built for world-class riders only. No lights, no license plates, just lap times and legends. Number 13, BMW HP4 Race. Forget everything you know about BMW. This isn't your dad's touring bike. The HP4 Race is a carbon fiber savage with 215 horsepower and a dry weight of just 146 kilograms. Yes, you heard that right. That's lighter than a 150cc commuter, but with the heart of a fire-breathing superbike. It's so extreme, BMW themselves said, don't even think about using it on public roads. Number 12, Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This monster needs no introduction. With a supercharged 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine pushing 322 horsepower, the H2R sounds like a jet engine about to eat a thunderstorm. Top speed? Over 250 miles per hour. Street legal? Heck no. It's too fast, too loud, and too insane for civilian use. Riders say it accelerates like a space shuttle launch, and they're not joking. Number 11, Ducati Desmosedici GP23. Built for the gods of MotoGP, this red demon punches out over 300 horses and revs to 18,000 RPM. This is Ducati's nuclear warhead on two wheels. Not available to the public, not available to your dreams, only available to the chosen few in MotoGP who know how to tame this beast. Fun fact, it costs over $2 million to run this bike in a season. Let that sink in. Number 10, Crighton CR700W, rotary engine, check. 220 horsepower, check. Weight? A ridiculous 129 kilograms. This British-built rocket has the highest power-to-weight ratio of any production motorcycle ever. But you'll never see it on the road. Only 25 units exist, and every one of them is meant for pure track annihilation. It's not a bike, it's a ballistic missile with clip-ons. Number 9, MTT420-RR, the jet-powered Psycho. Jet engine? Check. Rolls-Royce power plant? Check. 420 horsepower and 273 miles per hour top speed? Double check. This bike is powered by a literal turbine engine. It sounds like a fighter jet and rides like a fever dream. Legal? Not even close. It's more airplane than motorcycle. If Mad Max had a superbike, this would be it. Number 8, Bimota Tesi H2. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a cyberpunk fever dream with a hub-center steering system and Kawasaki H2R's supercharged engine. Top speed estimated at 263 plus miles per hour. Legal for streets? Negative. It's a concept built to flex what Italian engineering can do when it throws all caution and laws out the window. Number 7, Dodge Tomahawk, the four-wheeled V10 freak. And what happens when Dodge says, let's put a Viper engine on a bike? You get the Tomahawk. 500 horsepower, 4 wheels, 0 cents. Top speed, theoretically 350 miles per hour. Realistically, no one's brave enough to try. This isn't a motorcycle, it's a sci-fi fever dream on chrome. Oh, and it was never intended to be street legal, obviously. Number 6, Suzuki GSV-R, another MotoGP legend. The GSV-R was Suzuki's track monster before they exited MotoGP. Top speeds over 215 miles per hour with brutal acceleration and feather-light carbon bodywork. It wasn't just fast, it was a telepathic machine, responding to rider input like it read your mind. But yeah, unless you're racing in the Grand Prix, forget about ever swinging a leg over one. Number 5, Aprilia RS-GP. Aprilia's MotoGP machine is like a heat-seeking missile on wheels. It weighs around 157 kilograms and punches out over 280 horsepower from its V4 engine. But forget street rides, this thing's electronics alone cost more than a new car. It's built for riders who are half human, half computer. You're not invited. Number 4, WMC 250EV, the wind tunnel bike. Now this is wild, the white motorcycle concepts. WMC 250EV features a giant hole through the center of the bike, a literal aerodynamic tunnel to reduce drag. This futuristic electric prototype aims for a top speed of 250 plus miles per hour. It's got dual motors, regenerative braking, and a radical riding position. It's still a prototype, but when it runs, it'll be one of the fastest eco-rockets ever built. Number 3, Lightning LS218R track version. You've heard of electric speed, now meet the Lightning LS218R, the track-only sibling of the world's fastest electric bike. With 218 miles per hour top speed, 200 horsepower, and instant torque that slaps you like a slap from Thor, it's not for public roads. It's got no emissions, no mercy, and no chill. Number 2, Damon Hypersport Prototype Track Edition. The street version? Already terrifying, but the prototype track edition of the Hypersport? It's pushing 220 miles per hour with AI-powered rider assist systems, haptic feedback bars, and predictive crash avoidance. Think Iron Man's Jarvis meets Valentino Rossi. Yeah, it's still under development, but this isn't the future. It's already real and it's already banned from your block. Number 1, MotoBot YZR-M1, Yamaha's robo-racer. Let's end this list with a literal robot. Yamaha's MotoBot is an autonomous motorcycle rider and its bike of choice, the YZR-M1, modified for AI racing. It's a bike that's not just too fast for the road, it doesn't even need a human anymore. MotoBot once challenged Valentino Rossi. Seriously, it's a reminder that the future isn't just fast, it's artificial. And that's a wrap, folks. 16 motorcycles so freakishly fast, they're banned from the streets. Some are track-only legends, others are concepts from a dystopian future, but every single one is built to blow minds. Which one would you ride if you had a private racetrack and a death wish? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you love this throttle-blasting countdown, do the thing. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Smash the notification bell so hard it registers on a dyno. Stay fast, stay furious, and remember, if it looks too fast for the streets, it probably is. This is Tech Motor Show, signing off.